Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Made in Asia. And today, I'm going to be turning this body wave wig into a glueless wig. Because I'm going somewhere, and I know it's going to be hot, and I've sweated out two of my lace glues already. So, I mean, I have another one, but I don't really want to test it right now. That's not what I want to do. I want to go on this little trip with my best friend and be able to take my wig off at night, because when I do start to drink a little bit, I get hot. So I'll be having to come up out the wig. So this is perfect. I'm taking 2 wigs with me. This is the one I'm leaving in. I'm probably going to come back with my OG Bobby Johnsons. They just going to be in the bag. This is from Deja Vu Hair. It's a body wave, of course. It's Remy Peruvian. It's 130% density. It's a 13x4 lace, and it's medium brown. So I don't know how that's, but I'm gonna tint it to me, of course. I'm gonna tint it to my skin tone, of course. I'm not gonna plug it. I don't feel like plugging it. That's not what I want to do in my life right now. It's also 14 inches, so it's a cute little length, cute little summer length. Yeah, and I'm only gonna be gone like maybe 3 or 4 days, but I might want to change out the wig. You never know. Like I said, it's 13x4 lace, so it's all the way around. It's not the 13x4 here and the 2 little 1 inch here. It's not none of that. It does come with 4 clips, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 on the sides. And it comes with an adjustable strap down here by the clip. And I already tried it on, and I know I want it just a tinge tighter. So I'm gonna tighten it just a tinge to the next one. And so I'm gonna put the makeup. This is the Kiss Cream Foundation in the shade Almond. I don't know if this is me, but this seemed like it was closer to me when I did the little tester at the beauty supply. As my friend was looking for her some braided hair, automatically shifted off to the makeup part and hair, like the wigs and dyes and stuff. Even though I'm not buying no beauty supply wig, that's where my attention shifted to. So this is what seen it happen. Put that on the lace, and I'm going to put it on the inside and the outside, and then I'm going to spray it down, let it dry a little bit, and dry it all the way, because I don't want it to transfer as I'm sweating and shit. If I'm going somewhere that requires hair, I'm going to put it on. If it does not, I'm naturally just going to let the wig fall off before I take it off. And I've noticed that after I wear my wigs, I tend to let them become glueless, so I can just take it on and off, because I don't really like tacking my wigs down. I mean, I do it because it's y'all. When I first put it on, I will tack it down, but after that first installment, it's most likely not gonna be glued down again. I don't even want to wear makeup because it's gonna be so hot. It's hot where I live, and I know I'm going to a hotter state, so I don't know if I want to go and wear makeup, but I am for today. Probably at night when it cool down. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this with the Got to Be Flex Insta Hold so it doesn't transfer my skin. Like if I'm sweating or something, it's not gonna transfer. It's like this bad boy on. Damn, I can't get it. Probably because I did it. Thanks. First of all, I'm gonna cut my ear tabs. Okay, so to mold my wig down, I'm going to use the Fluff Stuff Styling Foam by Erica J. And this and this, they're two different products. Like they're the same product, but they're different products. This one I would use to, make my hair curly. This one I would not use to make my hair curly because it's hard, and because I've done my little sideburn action and my baby hairs with it, I know that it's hard, and this one is not. So I will use this one to mold it down, and this one to style it. Now I'm gonna wet it with some water. I'm going to take a flat brush and define my water. Since I'm not wearing makeup today, I just don't feel like it's called for. Maybe tomorrow. I'm going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate. Hot Chocolate. Hot Chocolate. And this is for sure going with me on the trip. This is bomb. And when I went to Sephora, they didn't have a lot. They only had maybe like 3 shades. They had the Stunner Lip paint. They only had one of those. They had it in uncensored, but it was the small one that comes with the eyeliner. So I wasn't really This is it for my makeup. That's it. I ain't wearing no makeup. It's gonna be hot. I know I'm drinking. My makeup gonna smudge. I'm not. But I like this hair. I would purchase it again. I am gonna wear it again with glue. I can't wait till it dry. I will be inserting pics of when it's dry all the way poofy again, because that's the look I wanted. I just wanted the curls to be uniform again. But this is what it looks like. It's really cute, really summery. It gives me summer vibes. I will be taking this off tonight to go to sleep. But yeah, like, I love it. I might do another video with this hair, with my makeup done, or I might just insert pictures with my makeup done. But not with this outfit. Not with this outfit. This ain't. I might do my makeup at night, like if me and my best friend go out to the club or something. Other than that, I ain't going no makeup. But I'm gonna take it just in case. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.